Hello, I'm Mark Anthony and I'll teach you how to cook foot long. And yeah, first step, you just remove the cover, the plastic cover, and then you make to remove that kasi pag di mo to inalis, magkakasama to. And now, kakaipuan mo, patulog pa. Oops. And now you put it on lana. Make sure that the lana is heat. Hindi pa mainit na masyado. Halata. Hintayin po natin. Hintayin po muna natin na minute ang lana. Pwede na po yan nilagay. Init na po yan. Oops. Be careful. Na magkasunog. Yeah. You just repeat it. Step by step. Okay. Okay. Put it together. Oops. Okay. Joke lang yun. Okay. Just wait 50 minutes until it cooks. Okay. Bye. Okay, I'm back. Ilang ito na po after 50 minutes. Okay, luto na po siya. Ilalagay mo na po siya dyan. Kawali. And then, magpakalindo ang plato. Kag mo na siya sa you put it on unang mo muna ang kaso. Okay. May lang sa baka maglito. Ayan. Oops. Okay. Okay. Thanks for watching us. Like us on Facebook and Twitter. Okay, you now put among tomatoes for papasiram. Okay, slowly. Baka masubrahan. Okay, now oops. Meron na naman tomas, oops. Para lang siyang kaya, no? Okay, and now ready to eat. How to eat? It teaches you how to eat. First, you need a spoon and tinidor. Okay? O yan na po. Na, oops. Salamat.